Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you the 5 best PDF reader apps for Android, perfect for reading, studying, and annotating on larger screens. Let's get started. First up is Adobe Acrobat Reader. It's one of the most trusted PDF apps available. You can open, search, highlight, and comment on PDFs easily. The tablet layout is clean and works great for work or school. Next is PDF Reader PDF Viewer. This app keeps things simple and fast. You can read files, search text, zoom smoothly, and organize documents without extra features getting in the way. Third on the list is Mu PDF Viewer. It's a lightweight and minimal PDF reader built for performance. Pages load quickly, text is sharp, and controls are very simple. Perfect if you just want a clean reading experience. After that comes Foxit PDF Reader Mobile. It's fast, smooth, and handles large files with no lag. You get bookmarks, annotations, form support, and great performance on tablets. Finally, there's Zoto PDF Reader and Editor. This is one of the most powerful free PDF apps. You can highlight text, add notes, fill forms, sign documents, and even collaborate in real time, all in full-screen tablet mode. And that's it. Those are the 5 best PDF reader apps for Android. Thanks for watching. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe.